If 20 to 50% of your discovery calls end up in no-shows, that is because your sales process is leaking authority before the call even happens. And if that's your case, I've got you. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why people don't show up and the 3 shifts that dramatically increase show up rates without begging, chasing, or sending 400,000 emails. And if you want my discovery call guide with the exact structure that my clients use to get high caliber buyers to actually show up and buy from them, then drop me the word discovery and I will send it to you straight away. All right. If you don't know me, I'm Roz and I've helped hundreds of female coaches, consultants, service providers, founders, and leaders master the inner game of sales so that they can implement strategies that create 5 to 6 figure premium offers and install sales systems that closes 50 to 75% of qualified prospects. And that starts with getting the right people on the call in the first place. In every video that I do, I give you one practical shift that you can implement straight away to sell with clarity and calm authority. All right, here's what's happening. Someone books a discovery call with you and they sound excited, they say they're ready to change, and then they don't show up. Or they cancel 10 minutes before the call, or they reschedule 3 times, or they simply ghost you. And you start thinking, okay, are people just flaky? Is it the economy? Are they actually serious? Sometimes, but most of the time, it's a positioning problem. And what do most people do? They send more reminders, they add SMS notifications, they shorten the booking form, they emotionally detach and say, that is just what it is, just what it is, right? But the no-shows continue because reminders don't fix certainty. People don't show up when the call feels optional, when they don't see clear value in attending, when they booked impulsively and not intentionally. And if your calendar link says free 30-minute clarity call, you've positioned it as casual. Premium buyers show up to strategy sessions, to decision conversations, and to application reviews. Language matters. Energy matters. Pre-frame matters. No-shows are a symptom of a weak qualification plus weak authority before the call. So here's how to fix it. Step number 1 is you upgrade the positioning of the call. Stop calling it a free chat, a free discovery call, a clarity session. Position it as a decision call, a strategy audit, an application review, and explicitly state this call is for the woman, the person who is actively looking to solve X problem in the next X amount of days. When expectations rise, the show up rates rise as well. Step number 2 is to add friction. Yes, friction. What does that mean? You might be thinking that making it easier for people to book is the goal, but premium buyers respect process. Instead of name, email, book, use application questions that require thought. Ask what they've already tried. Ask what happens if they don't solve this problem right now. When someone invests effort before the call, they're more likely to show up. So no friction equals low commitment. Okay, step number 3 is that you install a pre-call authority sequence between booking and the call itself. Send a short authority video explaining how the call works or the framework that you're going to discuss with them. Send a reminder of who it's for and who it's not for. This is really important. Send a subtle future pacing message like come prepared to make a decision if it's aligned. That one line alone filters dabblers. So when I started to require an application before my calls, the number of people that actually booked the call decreased slightly. But the leads that were the right fit increased because they booked and they came ready to make a decision instead of getting a free chat. So commitment increases when the container feels premium, when the decision feels real, as when the process feels intentional. No shows drop significantly when the call stops feeling like, let's see what happens, and it starts feeling like this is a leadership level conversation. My clients who implement this shift often go from 60 to 70% show up rates to 85 to 95 show up rates without sending more reminders, just stronger positioning. And if you're ready to lead conversations that close, then drop me the word discovery below and I'll send you my framework right away. Because instead of guessing why people ghost, you'll upgrade your call positioning, filter the decision makers, and increase commitment before they ever hit Zoom. And when better buyers show up, closing becomes easy, confidence increases, and your business stops feeling unpredictable. And if you're finding this helpful, please click the subscribe bell so that you can notified when I do new videos to answer your questions.